Okay. Boy, what is your sense of temperature? Sure are hot.
100? No. 10,000 degrees.
Oh boy, no wonder I'm sweating. Okay, what are sunspots? I see you have a couple on you there.
Sunspots are cooler areas on my surface, and yeah, they're cooler areas on my surface.
Now, what is your diameter?
Diameter of me would be 100 times the diameter of the Earth. 109 times the diameter of the Earth.
Okay, and are these three interesting facts that these Earthlings would like to know?
Okay, one interesting fact is that the ancient people built monuments and they tried to send it up to me, but of course it didn't work. Another interesting fact is that I am a nuclear energy, no, an energy source to the Earth until famous astronomers find out that nuclear energy. And another fact is how old I am. My age is 4,600,000,000 years old.
That's very interesting. Thank you. Okay, and thank you for coming to our show, and we'll have our next planet right after us, after this commercial. Thank you.
And now a word from our sponsor. Sun Paste. Give your teeth a ghastly glow.
Sun Paste includes nuclear energy, vitamin S, U, and N, and good tasting solar flares, not for children under the age of 5.
Sunspots not included. Also, if you buy Sun Paste in the year of 97, you will receive a free sun packet. A free traveling sun packet. It's not travel on its own.
The sun packet includes a miniature-sized glow-in-the-dark toothbrush, a miniature sun paste, a sun-shaped toothbrush cover, and actual sun soap.
Sun Paste is very safe unless you are 100 miles or closer to the sun. Using Sun Paste is a bright idea.
Sun paste is
Very reliable. Coming to a sun near you.
Good job. Neat. Okay. Read this.
sun, and it can get down to 495 degrees below on this cold side.
What is the distance from the sun?
It's about 35,980,000 miles away from the sun.
Why are there craters on Mercury?
Well, because comets and asteroids and stuff coming off the sun, burning rocks, hit Mercury and cause craters.
What does it mean that Mercury has a dark side?
Well, it doesn't rotate too fast, so 88 days it is on the cold side. Rather than Earth or any other thing, they rotate faster. So it can get very cold on the side not facing to the sun because 88 days in very cold weather, you couldn't live.
Okay. Can I ask you 3 interesting questions about Mercury?
Sure, I don't care.
Okay. Can you tell me something? 3?
Well, it goes around the sun 23 to 36 miles a second, and its year is like shorter than the Earth's because the Earth's is 365 days and it is only 88 days because of the sun's radiation because it's so close. And the atmosphere of Mercury is 0.1% of the Earth's. That means the radiation gets in from the sun a lot more than it gets in from the Earth's.
Okay, thank you, Mercury.
See ya.
I love this commercial.
This is a commercial.
Here's a word from our sponsor. Hey, don't change this! Are you bored? Don't you have nothing to do? No. Well, come to Mercury's Country Club. You can have fun all day. You can sunbathe in the sun rays. Oh, that's hot. You can play tennis with the prominences. Ow, that's hot. You can even buy radiation pets in a gift shop. Ow, ow, well, looks like he's gonna be okay. Just call 1-800. Hey, where you going? Sit down. Just call 1-800-Mercury. Hot, hot, hot. See ya.
Wait, guys.
Hi, and welcome to Name Your Galaxy. Today we have a visitor from the Milky Way. Let's have a nice, warm welcome to Venus. Hi, how are you this fine day?
I'm very hot, to tell you the truth.
Speaking of hot, is Venus the hottest planet, and why is that?
Oh my, yes, that is so true. Because I have so many thick clouds around me that the scientists think the energy which comes from the sun gets trapped, making me as hot as I am.
Wow, that is so interesting. So what is your surface temperature?
Oh, you won't believe this. My surface temperature is a whopping 864 degrees Fahrenheit.
My, is that ever hot? So how long is a day on Venus? Just maybe we could put up with this for one day.
Oh, heavens no. For one, a day is 243 Earth days. 2, Venus is always so hot.
Gosh, if anything
and so far away. So, is there any other name for Venus?
As a matter of fact, there is. People call it the morning or evening star.
Now, a word from our sponsors.
Is your planet so hot that you can't live on it anymore? Then you need mighty effective sun protector. Just rub it on. And you can move right back on your planet.
Welcome back. So, Venus, what's your diameter?
Seven 7,520 miles.
I've been wondering, what is Venus made of?
Well, I have a super hot, bone-dry surface, also a mantle, crust, and core.
Wow, that's neat. Audience member asked me to question you on the synthesis feature of Venus.
Well, Venus' surface is mostly a rolling plain interfered by highlands, and some other features are ridges and canyons.
Well, why we still have time, could you tell us a few interesting facts about Venus?
Well, walking on Venus would feel like walking underwater more than a half a mile under the ocean surface on Earth. 2, there's only one kind of climate on Venus, and that's hot. And if you weighed 100 pounds on Earth, you would only weigh 91 on Venus.
Wow, they are very interesting facts. Well, that's all the time we have. Thank you, Venus. It was a pleasure. Give a big hand for Venus. Okay.
Welcome to Out of This World. Today's guest is, she's blue and green and she lives close to the sun. Let's give a hand to the Earth. How you been, Earth?
Pretty good, although it's been very cold and icy, and people have been polluting. Just look.
It's been so terrible. Okay, let's get to our questions. What is the atmosphere made of?
Nitrogen makes up 78%, oxygen makes up 21%.
Carbon and small amounts of gases make up.
1%.
What is the Earth made of?
The atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the mantle, and the core.
I've always been wondering if we have two moons or one. I can never tell.
We only have one moon. Maybe it was a star or an asteroid or another planet that someone else saw.
What is the diameter of the Earth?
7,899.83 miles. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old.
I think she looks pretty good for her age. I would say so too. Could you tell us another before our time runs out for our viewers?
The Earth is not perfectly round. It is more shaped somewhat like an egg.
Oh, I never knew that. It always looked like a plain old circle to me. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Let's give a hand to the Earth. And see you next time on Out of This World. Has your planet been coughing up smoke, fog, and other dirty chemicals? Well, you need clean air. Just spray a little bit on your planet and watch her be as healthy as ever. Clean air. And it smells good too.
Just to make sure that it gets there, she's looking for it. It's like, oh, like this way, you bring it. It's in your backpack though, Michael.
Today we have a very special guest. Please welcome. Okay, let's give her a big round of applause for the man. I have a couple questions for you. Would you mind answering them?
No.
Okay, first question.
Alright, the first one is a new moon, and that means it's all dark. The second one's a waxing crescent. It's 1/4 of a quarter. The first quarter is a half of a moon. The waxing gibbous is 1/3 of a moon. The full moon is a whole moon. The warning gibbous is 1/3 of a moon. The last quarter is a half of a moon. And the
Video camera.
Why every time it's with you it works?
Hello, Jupiter.
Oh, it's going down.
Would you answer some questions for us?
find it.
Well,
Can we start off with questions?
okay.
Now, could you please describe your atmosphere?
The planet appears to be partly covered with frozen methane gas. It has little or no atmosphere.
Well, I've heard that scientists doubt that Pluto has any form of life.
That is true.
So, what's Pluto's diameter?
Its mean distance from the Sun is 3,666,000,000 miles. I travel around the Sun in an elliptical orbit.
Cool. So, what is the length of a day, or should I say, how long is a day on Pluto?
6 Earth days.
Wow, that's long for us. What is the length of a year on Pluto?
248 Earth years.
Wow.